Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy New Year, everyone! So I'm excited to share the latest collection of LV. So we have the continuation of the Monogram Midnight collection that will be launching January 1st, 2026. So please check the website and your CAs for orders. So first we have the DOP kit. Price of this one is 1,200 USD. Material is the Monogram Midnight canvas with cowhide leather trims. Next on the collection, we have the Duo Sling Bag. We have SKU here for M28399. So if you want like a sleek bag that you could wear every day, so check the Duo Sling Bag with the Monogram Midnight Canvas coat as the main material. Then of course we have the adjustable canvas strap over here. Next on the collection, so next we have the very beautiful Keepall 35 bandolier. So 35 centimeters in length. Unfortunately, we do not have the price, but we have the SK here. So just kindly check the website and your CAs. I believe you can now order this because this has already launched. So materials Monogram Midnight Canvas. I love, of course, the matte black hardware, and of course it comes with detachable bag tag and detachable strap as well. Next, we have the Discovery Backpack. Perfect for your travel. Why? Because of course, as you can see, it's all black. So the Monogram, although it has many Monogram logo, I feel that it's a little bit understated because it's black on black. Even the interior, it's also color black. So here we have the backpack strap that is fully adjustable. Perfect for travel, even for your everyday needs. Next on the collection, so we have the Keepall, this time size 45. So 45 centimeters in length. Good travel bags that you could carry. So as you can see, it comes with detachable and adjustable leather strap. It comes with leather bag tag as well. This is the close-up view of the Monogram Midnight Canvas. As you can see, it's still a little bit understated, and I really do love the black on black on black. Then, for travel again, we have the Horizon 55. SKU M26811. So this is the close-up view of the Monogram Midnight Canvas. As you can see, how gorgeous. Then, of course, it would be perfect for travel because this time, so I feel that it was going to be hard wearing. So next on the collection, so we have the Christopher Messenger. So we have another messenger bag over here in the but this time, guys, this is the material is the Torrillion Monogram leather. So this is the interior. So the closure is magnetic, as we can see here, and as we can see, the strap is fully detachable. Then of course, beautiful black hardware. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now, guys, to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you, guys! Alright, so let us discuss the new design for January. So we have Carry All East West. SKU M28160. So as we can see here, the material is lambskin leather with cowhide leather trims. And as you can see, the lambskin leather, it kind of looks a little bit shiny. So it would come with a Monogram bag tag. And as we can see, the shoulder strap is fully adjustable. So next design bag. So let us discuss all the Speedy P9s that will be launching for the new year. So we have the Speedy 25 P9. So this one, guys, 9,800 USD. So the colorway of this one, this is kind of brand new. Colorway is coffee bean. Material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims with lambskin lining. And of course, all of the Speedy P9 come with the detachable mini leather pochette. Just like this one, the Speedy P9 size 20, price is 12,600 USD. So the colorway of this one is purple gold, and this is the interior. Then of course, it comes with the leather mini pochette. So super cute. Of course, I love the P9 size 20, and it comes with detachable straps and detachable bag tag and key clochette as well. Just like with the Speedy P9 size 25, so we have SKU here. The colorway of this one is silk blue. So I know I have previously discussed this one, but since we have more photos as promised, I would be sharing everything to you. So just look at the very beautiful combination of the silk blue colorway. So like the monogram is in gold, and then the body of the bag is in silk blue. Just like with the Speedy P9, this time size 40. So please take note of the price, 15,200 USD. So as you know, the outer part is made of calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims, and it comes with lambskin lining. So it comes of course with detachable leather pochette, it comes with bag tag, key clochette, and detachable and adjustable leather strap. So going back to the coffee bean colorway, so this one is a Speedy P940. So this is how it looks like if you're going to compare it with a model. So price of this one is 11,600 USD. Materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trim. So this is the close-up of the coffee bean material. So what do you think of this one? So do you prefer it? So next we had the Speedy P9 size 30, SKU M15281. So the colorway of this one, so the monogram is in gold and the body is in red. So as you can see, or maybe like a cherry red or cherry pink. So then of course, same provisions, come with detachable mini leather pochette and detachable accessories as well. Then if you are looking for a very unique LV piece, then go for the popcorn toiletry bag, because definitely I would also say yes to this because it's so quirky and funny at the same time. Price is 1,390. So material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims, and it has the dame check pattern on the outer part of the bag. Then we have the Christopher Messenger. So this one price is available maybe on the website, so please check with your CAs. So materials monogram canvas, as we can see, so it comes with cowhide leather trims, and it comes with adjustable leather strap as well. So as you can see, love the vachetta on the monogram canvas. So next on the collection, we have the pouch métis belt. So price of this one is 1,680 USD. Material is the monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, and it comes with detachable chain straps like this, and this is the interior. So this is just maybe going to be perfect for your wallet. So apologies for the noise because it is New Year's Eve. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hopefully you did. So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a box emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramera52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!